So, my diesel heater, I ran it for probably about 30 hours. I was mixing used hydraulic oil and diesel fuel, probably 60, 40, 70, 30. Really not thick at all. The oil itself was pretty clean. I probably could have reused it in my skid steer. And now I've got oil, looks like it's dripping, coming out of the intake exhaust. So pulled the filter off. I pulled the muffler off outside. The muffler was all carboned up. I was running it at 6, but I think for some reason I turned it to 4. And then when I did that, all this happened. Kind of has a growl to it. Sounded like it ignited. Oh, starting to pump there. Sounds like it's getting hotter. So it started to quiet right up. I did find a little bit of oil and stuff under this tank, so I thought maybe it was leaking. I could have spilt it when I filled it up. It might have came down and maybe that's why it was smoking and that's what happened there. But I can't find any leaks. It quieted right up. I just keep putting straight diesel fuel in there. And yeah, she's running smooth. So that might have been just all me operator error with the oil and maybe getting too sloppy putting it in. Well, we're gonna run it, this whole tank on 6 wide open and see what she says. So, as it started up, my exhaust there blew out a whole bunch of black stuff. Yeah, she must have been carboned up quite a bit. I don't think putting that muffler on the end of that helped any. We'll run it and see if we can't clear her out.